Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change excluded apps in the driving monitor on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening up the settings. And here we have to scroll down a bit until we see the digital well-being and parental controls. Okay, so we press it. And here we have to scroll down a little bit until we see the screen time while driving. We have to press it. And by pressing the three buttons in the upper right corner, we have the Choose Excluded Apps prompt. And here we can add or delete the apps from the driving monitor. So, if you considered the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.